Okay guys, so I'm gonna start dinner, and I've already turned the stove on, and don't mind my stove, it's dirty, it needs to be cleaned, but yeah. So I already turned my stove on, so I'm gonna pour a bit of oil in here for my brown chicken, and I'm just gonna let that heat up while I cut up my chicken. If it starts to get too hot, I'll turn it off. But I need the oil to be a little hot, and it's not a lot of oil. You don't need a lot of oil just to coat the pan. So in this sink I have 3 pieces of chicken thigh. Yeah, chicken thighs. So I'm going to clean this up, take all the fat out and all the skin and everything off of it, and get it cleaned up. Okay, so after, hold your hand up a little bit. So after you've cleaned up all of your chicken, you want to start to cut your pieces.
Yellow thing.
So after you finish, you wash your cutting board because you need it to chop up your veggies and stuff. So you wash that. You wash your knife because you're handling raw meat. So you wash everything
that you use.
So I'm gonna do brown stew tonight. So I'm gonna put some some black pepper in here, and I'm gonna eyeball it.
What's eyeball?
So you just make sure everything is coated and to your preference. Next, I'm gonna get put some seasonal in it, and you don't put any salt until after it's cooked. You taste it and see if it's too salt, because a lot of these seasonings have salt in it.
Yeah, makes sense. Curry, mommy, curry.
You're gonna get a spoon and you're gonna rub this all
curry
in.
Mommy, curry.
And I don't put my onion and stuff in here because tends to burn. So now I'm going to season my oil. And I'm going to season my oil. I'm going to season my oil.
Okay, I got it.
So to season my oil, be careful, back up a little. I don't use a lot of oil, I just use enough to coat the pan. Put a little bit more in. So to season my oil, I use seasoned salt.
And no, let them see it at the end. Let them see it at the end.
I use seasoned salt.
At the end. So they can buy it.
And some
little bit
pimentos.
They saw it.
And garlic.
So you let them see the garlic?
Yeah.
Let them see the garlic now. Because you're going to put it in a pot.
Yeah.
They don't know what garlic is, they can try it. So let them see it now, garlic.
Garlic. So put that in. Stir it around. Just season the oil a little bit. And if you want, you could also add a pepper.
Can we go to the store after?
You could add a small pepper. Add a small pepper to it, depending on how you want your...
Mommy, can we go to the store after? Because there's nothing.
So you just season that and then turn the fire up. Now you get your chicken ready. Now you get your chicken ready to put in the pot. So what you're going to do is pour everything out into the pot.
Let me get water.
And you're going to let this brown up a little bit and catch some color. Once that browns up for a little bit, you start to get your pot ready for your dumplings.
So you put a little water. No. How much water?
Just enough to cover the dumplings. So it doesn't matter.
Just enough to cover the dumplings. And you're going back to get another top pot. I don't know. And then that's it. And you put it on the stove. How do the top pot I'm talking? And then she turns on the stove. And then she's going.
And then you're gonna season
salt.
your water.
She's putting salt.
For your dumplings.
She's getting salt to put
For a generous amount.
You have to tell them what it is. So
salt, 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 salt.
Do I have to come over here?
No. And that's it. I'll be back. Okay, this is what it looks like after it's been browning. I've turned it several times, so now I'm getting ready to pour some water in it. Okay, so this is the amount of water, and I'm going to pour it in just enough to cover the meat. Because now we're going to cook it down. Ooh, it smells like heaven in here. And I don't have any seasoning because I ran out of, it's okay, I got it. I ran out of stuff. So now we're going to cover this and let it simmer. To make the dumpling, you're going to need flour. Some salt to taste. Put together in a bowl. And water. So you're going to add the water to the flour and you're going to knead. This is what your dough should look like once it's kneaded. Now you can go ahead and pinch off and roll into a ball, then flatten. Once they've been flattened, you put them into your boiling pot of water over here. Okay, so my brown stewed chicken is coming along. It looks like it needs another some more water. So I'm going to put some more water and then I'm going to put my ketchup in. So you just kind of flip them. If they look kind of white on one side, you just flip them. Because that's what's the name of this dish, is brown. So you make sure everything is brown. So I went ahead and added the tomato ketchup. And I'm going to stir it to make sure it's coated evenly before I put my next batch of water in. Okay, so this has been cooking for a good, I'll say an hour. That's how long I cooked mine for. And it's nice, and the meat, it's like nice and tender and falling off the bone. And I have a little bit of gravy here for the dumplings. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn off the stove right now. I'm going to turn off the stove. And that is my brown stew chicken. And then over here is my dumplings. So I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to dish it out. I'm going to share it out. And I'll show you what it looks like. And this is what the finished product looks like. This is what my husband will come home to after a long day of work. Some nice brown stew Jamaican chicken with dumplings. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment below whether or not you guys like these videos, and I'll continue to make more of these.